welcome back to this week's weekly analysis of the synthetic indices. Okay, but before we start, let me announce the 3 winners. Yes, I said 3. I know last time I said we're gonna be 2, but there's a surprise winner at the end of this video. So let me announce the 2 first winners of one has won themselves a system. The second one has won themselves free mentorship. Okay, so let me just announce the winners just now. So the first one to win goes by the name of Tandazon Drovo. Her last comment on the video was, watching your videos have helped me a lot. You make them easy to understand and trading looks so possible. If there's a good teacher out there, we're really talking about somebody in your caliber. Big up, bro. Thank you very much, and contact me on my WhatsApp number. You've won yourself a free system. Okay. Then the next winner goes by the name of Owen Natek. Says, good work, boss. I like how you break down everything in the most simple way. Everything seems to be easy and definitely change how I'll be using trend lines. Thank you for sharing this. Contact me on my WhatsApp number. You, sir, have won yourself free mentorship from one and only me. Okay, so without further ado, the last winner will be announced at the end of the video. Make sure you watch this video till the end. Okay, and the other thing that I wanted to announce is that the next time the page reaches 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving away $100 funded account plus free mentorship. Okay, so make sure you look out for that video. Let's push the page to 1,000 subscribers. Somebody's gonna win $100 funded account. Yes. So without further ado, let's go into the charts. We look at this week's analysis as far as indices goes.
Welcome to the chart. This is VIX 25. That's the one we're gonna start with. We're gonna go in that order. Okay. Till we reach our favorite. So as far as the daily goes, looking at VIX 25, we sort of have reached an area of resistance. Okay, so usually what do we do in such a case? Okay, so first let us mark the other zones, because one thing you have to understand is you have to understand where is the market coming from. Okay, what did the market do from where it's from, and what are you to expect from all that move that it made? Okay, because as I always say, you have to know the past for you to understand the future as far as the market goes. Okay, so we had minor zones where the market touched, broke through, retested, yeah. So we were initially pushing bullish. Okay, the market did retracement, pushed up a bit, but then again this level was broken. Okay, we could have waited for a retest for us to anticipate to say we're sell or buyers, but what did the market do? It pushed up, came back to retest in the zone, momentum to the upside. So as far as we're concerned, we are buyers in this market. Okay, what are some of the levels we're looking forward to say, okay, the market maybe might touch down in this zone if it does continue this bullish move? Okay, so we have this zone up here. So depending on how the market moves and how the candlesticks are printed, okay, so what move are we anticipating off of VIX 25? We're waiting for that move to the upside, break this level, retest it, then we can get some of the buys to the upside, depending on what candlestick patterns are printed in this area here, regardless of the time frame. But this is the daily. Okay, so you have your daily zones. If you were to drop down to your 4-hour or 1-hour zone, 1-hour time frame, sorry, that would give you a whole other information as well. Okay, but as far as the daily zones go, if you're looking at it right now, we seem to be getting some form of reaction off of this zone here. Okay, so if we do continue with this move, how would we trade this? Okay, in terms of selling, if this proved to be a strong resistance point, first things first, we have to wait for the market to either break some of these levels here. Okay, if if it breaks this level, retest, then I would look for some sales up into this zone here. So it will be something like this. If the market does continue bearish off of this zone, I'll wait for that retest to confirm the move to the downside. Then I would take some sales all the way to the downside. Okay, that is as far as VIX 25 goes. If it's buying, I want to wait for the market to break above, retest in this zone to push to the upside. Okay, then let's look at another VIX pair. We'll go to VIX 50. We're gonna just look at 3 because I don't like over trading and we can't analyze everything. So 3 are my favorite that I would look for trades in. Okay, so VIX 50 pushed bullish. This trade really was one of the most beautiful trades we saw. Okay, this move, we didn't anticipate it will go all the way up there, but it was one of the most beautiful moves we could have caught if we did catch this, but not all the way to the upside. Okay, so what do we get from this information? Okay, so we have broken a few levels that we anticipated that the market might come into. Okay, violated them with no regard to them. Okay, so always remember to say the market, it doesn't move randomly. It always has a destination to where it is going. Okay, so we've just broken this level again. So what is our anticipation off of this? Okay, so we have this level on top here that possibly the market might reach. Right now we're looking at this candle that is open. We might wait for that retest into this zone to take buys. Otherwise, as far as this is concerned, this is still buy bias. Okay, if we drop down to our 4-hour time frame to see what the market is doing as far as the full details of this zone. Okay, so you can see from here we did get a reaction below. The market tried to push down, but eventually it was suppressed and pushed up. Now we have this retest that we're waiting for. If the retest is valid and some candlesticks are printed off of this zone here, okay, if the market comes down into this zone, some candlesticks are printed here, we might take our buy to the upside. Okay, that is far as VIX 50 goes. We go to the last VIX we'll analyze for the day. We don't want to make this video very long, so VIX 75. As far as VIX 75 goes, we go to our daily. We see, always remember, higher time frame provide you with the perspective of where the market might be going. Okay, where the market is likely to go. So what do we see off of this? Let me remove that. So the market, we did anticipate this move last time. Oh, sorry. So market is sort of stuck in a channel. Okay, if you look at this, as far as this goes, okay, this is what we are looking at. Okay, we did get a reaction off of this zone. If you watched our last analysis on VIX, we did say if we get a reaction, we might look for sales to the downside. Okay, so will we get a continuation sell to the downside? That would depend on what it does next. Other than that, we are stuck in a channel. There's a possibility we might see VIX drop all the way to these lows here. Okay, but which zones are we worried of to say we might get a reaction? Because remember, the market was stuck in this area for quite some time. That's why we have gotten this current reaction that we have at the moment to say the market might push up. But as soon as it breaks below, I will be confident enough to take the sales all the way down. Okay, I'm not saying this is a signal for you to enter, but to say you have to have the right candlesticks and the right momentum. So as far as we're concerned, if we go down to a smaller time frame, we don't have a clear signal to give us to say the market is gonna go down continuing. Okay, because why? We did find a challenge breaking below this level, and right now we're going back to retest it. So what are we anticipating? Either a break below that retest, then we would take those sales to the downside. Okay, otherwise this was a good entry here, just that we missed it. If you watched my other video of support and resistance, I did talk about such to say, when you want to confirm if the market is really in a downtrend, what would you wait for? You wait for a level to be created, level to be tested, and this is what happened here. The market broke through, retested. Look at the candlestick. We could have jumped in on sales here to take it to the downside. Okay, so as far as the analysis goes, this is what I have for you guys today. Okay, simple price action. Always remember, price action is king, okay, as you're trading. So remember, if you like this information, leave a like, leave a comment. You might never know, you might be the next winner. Share this video with your friends. You might be the next winner of the $100 funded account plus mentorship. Okay, so now let me announce the last winner who has won herself. Sister, she has won herself free membership
for 1 month in my Signals group. For those that are interested in the Signals group, it's up and running. You can contact me on my WhatsApp numbers. So our winner goes by the name of Nancy Machiria. Her last comment was enthusiastic. She said, we've got no reason to spare the markets this week. Thanks, Zen. So congratulations, Nancy. You've won yourself a 1 month free subscription to my Signals group. Contact me on my WhatsApp number so that I can add you to the group. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. This means a lot to me. Thanks for the support. Let's keep on growing together. Remember, this time we're targeting 1,000. If we reach 1,000 subscribers, somebody's gonna win $100 funded account plus free mentorship. Oh, inclusive of the others that will win. One is system, the other one will win mentorship. So always remember, leave a comment, leave a like, share this video. Without further ado, from me, Mr. Friendly Neighborhood Millionaire, it's peace. Remember, a paper day keeps poverty away.